Hello everyone, welcome you all to the online lectures of Basic Electrical Engineering. Today we are going to record this part number 2 of solution for lecture number 18, that is based on nodal analysis, right? We have already released part 1 for this solution video, right? So in continuation with that, in last video part 1 we have solved total number of 5 questions. Remaining questions of lecture 18 we will be covering in this particular video. Okay, so let's start with the question number 6 of lecture number 18, and that is, in this question we have to find out the current through 5 ohm, and this 5 ohm is connected at the end of the circuit, right? Now first of all we'll find out the number of junctions here. So you can see here we have junction number 1 is this, junction number 2 is this. Let us call it V1 voltage of this junction, V2 voltage of this junction. On the bottom side, as you can see, there is a 5 volt battery is connected in between these 2 points. So naturally these 2 points will be treated as separate junctions because एक potential difference वहां पर लगा हुआ है. ठीक है, तो ये हम कहते हैं जंक्शन नंबर 3 इसको ले लेते हैं, इसको जंक्शन नंबर 4 वोल्टेज V4, राइट? 4 जंक्शन हमारे पास हैं. Now as you can clearly see in this particular question you have V4 minus V3 is equals to 5 volts. ठीक है, आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है on the bottom side of this circuit. V4 minus V3 का जो potential difference है that is 5 volts. So if we can grounded any one of these two junctions, so we can easily get the value of other junction side, right? Let us consider V3 is grounded and V3 is 0. If V3 is 0, then naturally we will have V4 as 5 volts and V3 as 0 volts. So out of 4 unknown junctions, we have solved 2 junctions. Remaining 2 junctions will solve by using KCL equations on junction number 1 and junction number 2. Assuming the currents flowing here, let us call it I1. This is I2, I3, I4 and I5. These are the 2 junctions we have. Let us consider junction number 1. So at junction 1, the KCL equation will be I1 plus I2 plus I3, all are the outgoing currents. Considering the value of I1 here, this I1 will be equals to V1 minus 50 minus V3, that is 0 divided by 10, plus I2 is minus 1.5, I3 is V1 minus V2 upon 10 is equals to 0. ठीक है, solving this equation LCM हमारे पास 10 होगा. So according to the LCM 10 we will have V1 minus 50 minus 15 plus V1 minus V2 is equals to 0, and this equation will become equals to 2V1 minus V2 is equals to 65. Equation number 1. Now for junction 2, जंक्शन 2 के लिए इक्वेशन बनाएंगे. जंक्शन 2 पे हमें दिखाई दे रहा है 3 करंट्स हैं. I3 इनकमिंग है, तो minus I3 plus I4 plus I5 will be 0. So values of I3 is V1 minus V2 upon 10 plus V2 minus V4 upon 20 plus V2 minus V4 upon 5 is equals to 0, राइट? ये दूसरा इक्वेशन हमारे पास हो गया. अब इस इक्वेशन में V4 का वैल्यू अगर हम 5 वोल्ट्स पुट करें तो वी विल गेट V2 minus V1 upon 10 plus V2 minus 5 upon 20 plus V2 minus 5 upon 5 is equals to 0. Considering the LCM 20 LCM लेके इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, हमारे पास होगा 2V2 minus 2V1 plus V2 minus 5 plus 4V2 minus 20 is equals to 0. ठीक है, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके हमारे पास जो इक्वेशन आ रहा है दैट इज माइनस ऑफ 2V1 2 plus 3 plus 4 दैट इज 7V2, कांस्टेंट्स है हमारे पास minus 25, दैट विल बिकम plus 25. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. तो सॉल्विंग इक्वेशन नंबर 1 and 2 by calculator we are getting V1 is equals to 40 volts and V2 is equals to 15 volts. These are the two values we are getting for V1 and V2. Now we have to find out the current through 5 ohm, and 5 ohm के through current है I5. So current through 5 ohm that is equals to I5, जिसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास है V2 minus V4 upon 5, और 15 minus 5 upon 5 will give you 2 ampere in downward direction. So this is the answer of this question. It's very simple question for nodal analysis. Let's go with the next one. The question is find the current in 3 ohm. ठीक है, 3 ohm में हमें current निकालना है using this circuit, and this circuit is very easy and very simple. As you can see, On the upper side of this circuit, we have only one junction because these 2 points are considered to be the same because there is no element is connected in between these two, and potential will be same on these 2 points, right? So considering this junction number 1, let us call it the voltage V1. Similarly, on the bottom side, one junction is there, considering the voltage V2, and grounding this, V2 will become 0. So only one equation will be created on junction number 1. Let us take the currents I1, I2, I3 and I4. So at junction 1, equation will be sum of all the 4 currents because all are outgoing. Then value of I1 is equals to V1 minus 10 upon 2 plus V1 upon 2 minus 10 plus V1 upon, हमारे पास दो रेजिस्टेंस है, दोनों सीरीज में है, तो we will have 1 plus 3 that is equals to 0. LCM 4 आ रहा है, तो it is 2V1 minus 20 plus 2V1 minus 40 plus V1 is equals to 0. Solving this for V, हमारे पास मिलेगा 2 plus 2 plus 1 that is 5V1 is equals to 40 plus 20 is 60, or V1 is equals to 60 upon 5, that is 12 volts, right? Now the current through 3 ohm, current in 3 ohm, that is nothing but equals to I4 here. We have V1 upon 4, 12 upon 4 is 3 ampere in downward direction. Okay, so it was very easy question. Go for the next one. So in this question we have to find out the current I, and I हमें दिखाया गया है सर्किट के अंदर 2 ohm में फ्लो हो रहा है from left to right direction. Also there are total junction number 1, that is V1 is the voltage here, junction number 2 voltage V2 is here, and one junction is here on the bottom side. Let us consider V3. Another thing we can see from this circuit is V1 minus V3 is equals to 10 volts. You can see 10 volt is connected in this particular branch and there is no resistance here. That simply means कि इन दोनों बीच के potential का जो difference है वो 10 volt है with positive on the upper side. That means V1 is on the higher potential. So V1 minus V3 will be 10. Now if we consider V3 as a reference node and it is grounded, so that simply means V1 का value हमारे पास 10 volt आ जाएगा, and out of 3 junctions 2 have been solved. Only one junction is remaining here, जिसके लिए हमें यहाँ solution करना है. Let's consider this junction at junction 2. Junction 2 के लिए आपके पास 3 currents हैं. एक I current आ रहा है जो incoming है, that is minus I. दूसरा 5 ampere current है जो outgoing है, और तीसरा current, let us consider it also in outgoing direction, that will become V2 minus of minus 5, that will become plus 5 minus 0 upon 3 is equals to 0. LCM will be 3, and ये जो I है, we have to put the value of I here also. This value of I is nothing but equals to V1 minus V2 upon 2 plus 5 plus V2 plus 5 upon 3 is equals to 0. Here we have the value of V1 as 10. So solving this, V2 minus 10 upon 2 plus 5 plus V2 plus 5 upon 3 is equals to 0. Considering LCM 6, 3V2 minus 30 plus 30 plus 2V2 plus 10 is equals to 0. 30 to 30 cancel हो गया. It is become 5V2 is equals to minus of 10. That means V2 is equals to minus 10 upon 5 or minus 2 volts. So V2 का आंसर हमारे पास आ गया है. Now I is equals to, according to the direction of this current, I is equals to V1 minus V2 upon 2. V1 का वैल्यू हमारे पास है 10, V2 का वैल्यू आया हमारे पास minus 2, that will be plus 2 divided by 2, that will give you 6 ampere. So this is the answer of this current I for this circuit, right? Let's go for the next one. This is question number 9. We have to find out the current supplied by 100 volts battery. ये जो 10 वोल्ट 100 वोल्ट का बैटरी लगा है, इसके थ्रू पास होने वाला करंट, मतलब इससे कितना करंट सप्लाई हुआ वो हमें यहाँ से फाइंड आउट करना है. तो करंट सप्लाइड का सिंपल सा मतलब है कि द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट विल बी फ्रॉम दिस साइड. Current has to enter from the negative side to supply the current from this battery. Now let us find out the junctions first. In this circuit we have junction number 1 is this. Let us call it V1 is the voltage. second junction V2 is the voltage, third junction V3 is the voltage and this one is fourth, V4 is the voltage. ठीक है, चार जंक्शन हमारे पास हैं. Another thing is कि in between junction 1 and 4 there is a voltage 100 volt connected with positive on the upper terminal. That simply means कि we have V1 minus V4 is equals to 100 volts. Second thing is we have 50 volts connected in between junction number 1 and 3. So again we can write here as V3 minus V1 is equals to 50 because positive side is on this side and V3 is on higher potential. In these two equations we have V1 as common. That means कि if somehow we can make this V1 as 0 तो हम V4 का वैल्यू -100 volts and V3 का वैल्यू 50 volts लिख सकते हैं. And that means कि हम V1 को यहाँ पे ग्राउंड करेंगे. तो V1 is grounded taken as reference. So V1 is equals to 0. And if V1 is 0, V4 is equals to -100 volts and V3 is equals to 50 volts. Now we have only one junction unknown, that is second junction, and voltage V2 has to be find out using KCL. Let's do this. V2 के लिए let us consider one current is flowing in this direction, another one is in this direction. This current source is 5 ampere, right? Now, what is the equation on this junction? The equation for junction number 2 is for junction 2. Junction 2 के लिए equation बनेगा -10, that is incoming current, plus V2 minus V4 upon 3 plus V2 minus V3 upon 10 is equals to 0. Let's put the value V3 and V4 in this equation. We will have -10 plus V2 plus 100 upon 3 plus V2 minus 50 upon 10 is equals to 0. Taking LCM 30, it will give you -300 plus 10 V2 plus 1000 plus multiplied with 3 V2 minus 150 is equals to 0. Or we have 10 plus 3 is 13 V2 is equals to 1000 minus 300 minus 150, that is 550, and this side it will become -550, or V2 will be -550 upon 13, it will give you minus 550 upon 13 will give you minus 42.307 volt, right? तो ये हमारे पास V2 आ गया है. Now हमें जो करंट निकालना है वो करंट है 100 वोल्ट के थ्रू पास होने वाला करंट. So if I want to apply KCL on junction number 1, जिसके लिए मुझे 3 करंट मिलेंगे. एक करंट जो 50 वोल्ट बैटरी के थ्रू आ रहा है, let us consider this is the current and call it I1. एक करंट जो 100 वोल्ट्स के थ्रू जा रहा है, let us call it I2. One current is here जो 10 ohm के थ्रू पास हो रहा था, let us consider I3, right? Because we are going to use all these values of current. So if I want to apply the KCL on junction number 1, मुझे I1 का वैल्यू पता होना चाहिए so that I can find out the value of I2. So to find out this I1, I have to apply KCL at junction number 3. Junction number 3 पे अगर हम KCL लगाएंगे तो by KCL at junction 3, what we see on junction 3, we have a current that is incoming towards junction 3, that is -I3. One current that is 5 ampere is also incoming, that is -5, and one current which is I1 going outward from 3, that will be plus I1, will be 0, or I can say I1 will be I3 plus 5. What is I3 here? I3 is nothing but equals to V2 minus V3 upon 10. So V2 minus V3 upon 10 plus 5, that will give you V2 का वैल्यू है मेरे पास -42.307 माइनस V3 का वैल्यू है मेरे पास 50 upon 10 plus 5. How much it is? After solving this, we are getting I1 as -4.23 ampere. ठीक है, ये हमारा करंट I1 का आंसर आया है जो कि फ्लो कर रहा है 50 वोल्ट्स के थ्रू. Now I will apply KCL on junction 1. So by KCL at junction 1. Junction 1 पे हम क्या देखते हैं? I1 करंट है जो कि इनकमिंग है, that is minus of I1. दूसरा करंट 10 एम्पियर जो कि आउटगोइंग है +10, एंड थर्ड करंट जो कि I2 इनकमिंग है 1 के लिए, दैट इज आल्सो -I2 शुड बी इक्वल्स टू 0। मुझे I2 का वैल्यू निकालना है, तो I2 विल बी इक्वल्स टू 10 माइनस ऑफ I1। वी हैव 10 माइनस of -4.23 will give you 14.23 एम्पियर। सो ये वो करंट है जो कि मुझे 100 वोल्ट बैटरी के थ्रू पास हो रहा है, एंड जो करंट 100 वोल्ट बैटरी सप्लाई कर रही है। सो आई कैन राइट करंट सप्लाइड by 100 volt is equals to 14.23 ampere. This is the answer for this question, right? So लेक्चर नंबर 18 में टोटल 9 क्वेश्चंस थे नोडल एनालिसिस से करने के लिए। वी हैव सॉल्व 5 क्वेश्चंस इन पार्ट 1 ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन एंड रिमेनिंग 4 क्वेश्चंस इन दिस पार्ट नंबर 2, राइट? सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लेक्चर 18, and still if any of you feel any difficulty solving any of the questions related to the nodal analysis, you can send me the question through the link provided, telegram link जो मैं आपको प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है। और if you like the video, then do subscribe the channel and share it with the needy people or needy students जिनको समझने के लिए कोई एक मटेरियल की जरूरत है, राइट? सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। थैंक यू।